Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize Krisp AI settings in 2026. If you want the best possible audio quality for meetings, calls, and recordings, this guide will walk you through the most important settings step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure your preferred microphone and speakers are selected as your default audio devices. Next, enable noise cancellation for your microphone to remove background sounds like keyboard typing, fan noise, traffic, and nearby conversations. If your version supports it, enable speaker noise cancellation as well. Now review the audio settings and confirm that Krisp is using the correct input and output devices. Choosing the wrong microphone or speakers can reduce audio quality. Next, open your meeting application, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. In the audio settings, select Krisp microphone as your input device and Krisp speaker as your output device if you're using both features. Before an important meeting, make a quick test call to check your voice quality. Adjust your microphone position so it's close enough to capture your voice clearly without picking up unnecessary noise. Finally, keep Krisp AI updated to the latest version and review your settings regularly to ensure they're still optimized after software updates or hardware changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to optimize Krisp AI settings step by step. You can now enjoy clearer calls, better meetings, and more professional audio quality. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.